If you have a third gen Prius 2010 to 2015, here's how to make a duplicate key. So first, you're gonna have a scanning tool, maybe the Altel or a laptop with software. In this case, I have the scanner here. If you like to use this one, link is in the description. And then we're gonna plug it into the OBD2 port connector down here, this way. So if you could see it, where the wires, there you go. Then we're gonna go to our scanning device here, Toyota. And then we're gonna go, so once you get to the main screen, you go find smart key here. And then we're going to go to special functions, smart code registration, and then we hit next. I am just registering keys, so it's gonna ask me to put the regular key. You heard that once I put the regular key, you hear that beep, and it says touch the engine with the key to be registered. So I have the key here I got from Amazon. You heard the two beeps. Press register. Alright, so we're done. It says I program it, and we have to go back because it's done. And then what we do, we test it. We turn off the car, disconnect everything, and now the key that is still in the plastic, but that we program, see if we can unlock the doors. See, it worked. Lock, unlock. And to test the key that we programmed, I put back my only key before back in the house, and I just have the key that we programmed still in the plastic. So we'll see if we can start the car. So you see the ready, that means the car is drivable. I'll try to engage it forward. Okay, so it's move a little bit forward, back to park. All right, the key is good, so turn it off. That's how you add a key. Very easy for Gen 3 2013 Prius. And I'll link on the description where to get the key and where to get the scanner that I use. It's very easy.